This is Greg. I'm out at the old clay plant and I just found an old payloader. Let's have a look and see what we got. So as you can see, she's in pretty rough shape. Guys that tossed it over on the pile used a big grapple. Pinched her pretty good. They said it was down there in the basement somewhere. So we'll get her back to the shop. We'll give her a better look. I don't want to climb all over this thing. Catch you in a few. Well, as you can see, there's quite a bit of damage to the steering column and gauge panel. Exhaust pipe's been broke. Exhaust manifold. And it popped off a hydraulic line. I'll just have to braze that back on. Other than that, not too bad a shape. Tried to put some air in this tire. It's flat. See if I can possibly get that fixed. Main thing we're going to focus on now is getting this panel off, because there's a gas tank in there and some old gas, and I want to get that out of there. Just trying to get this clamp off the steering column so I get this panel off of here. So I got the tire fixed. It was just your standard tire repair. I had to put a hole in the tube, clean up some rust, straighten that ring a little. Got her on there. It's holding 35 psi. Let's get it on that hub. Well, there it is. It's back on. We got a whole bunch of more mess to work around here, but that's for another day. It's getting late. I'm gonna shut her down for the night. What is up? It's the next day. We got it in the shop. Gonna see if we can get these side panels off here. Get them straightened out on that press. Got my tools ready to go to work. I'm tired of looking at this hole. Let's make a seat for this thing. Boom. So now we're going to see if we can get this arm straightened out. Have to undo a bolt, pull a pin. We'll get it out and get it on the hydraulic press and get it straightened out. Okay, we got all that mess off there. Grease and grime and crap. Let's get this brake drum off. So as you can see, we have maximum carnage on the axle. The housing's broken and the axle shaft as well. There's a couple of hairline cracks on that housing. So that's going to do it for now. Later on we're going to try getting this engine running. That's a project for another day. Peace out.